Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and you are studying seriously. Okay, it's good. Now, let's start today's work. Today I am going to start a very important chapter from geometry, which is construction of quadrilaterals. So, in the last week, I gave you the basic idea of the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Its properties, how to implement the properties while solving the sums. Got it? So I think it's clear to you. Okay, let's start with the new chapter, construction. How to construct the quadrilateral. In class 7, already you have learned about how to construct triangles, how to construct angles. Is that or not? How to construct the perpendicular bisector. So, today while I will teach you the construction of quadrilateral, beforehand I have to give you some basic idea. Now, all of you know this is a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, there are 4 line segments, 4 vertices, and there are 2 diagonals. So, total there are 10 parts. Clear? Now, simply you cannot construct the quadrilateral. So, out of these 10 parts, we have considered 5 elements to construct the quadrilateral. Clear? So, these are the 5 elements. First one, if it will be given to you 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So with 4 sides and 1 diagonal, how to construct a quadrilateral? Next, with 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Next, with 4 sides and 1 angle. Next, with 3 sides and 2 included angle. Included angle means in between the sides, in between the 2 sides, the 2 angles are known as included angles, and 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. So these are the 5 different elements to construct a simple quadrilateral. Got it? Now there are some more constructions are there. Which one? Construction of special types of quadrilaterals. So all of you know rectangles, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. These all are special types of quadrilaterals. Now here all the quadrilaterals will not be required. Only 4 special types of quadrilaterals I will teach you. First one is rectangle, then square, and 2 more are there, rhombus and parallelogram. Now for construction of rectangles, there are 2 elements. If sides will be given to you, only sides. And another way, if one side and length of 1 diagonal will be given to you. Same way for construction of square, there are also 2 elements. If one side is given to you or if 1 diagonal will be given to you. Same way for rhombus, there are 3 elements. If one side and 1 angle will be given to you, if one side and 1 diagonal will be given to you, and if 2 diagonals will be given to you. And the last one is parallelogram. If 2 with adjacent sides and included angle will be given to you, and 2 adjacent sides and 1 diagonal will be given to you. So I will move stepwise. Clear or not? One by one I will move. First I will teach how to construct a simple quadrilateral with those 5 elements. When it will be clear to you completely, then only I will move for the special types of quadrilaterals. Now here's some statements I have written, which one you have to remember. That means when you construct any quadrilateral, what you will do? First, we have to draw a rough sketch with free hand. Why we are drawing the rough sketch? Means, like in your book you can see, here one construction has been done, here one rough sketch has been drawn. This rough sketch why we are drawing means to construct a quadrilateral, at first you have to get sure that this quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles. It's very important, two triangles. So, to get sure, we are drawing this rough sketch. Clear or not? Along with the measurement will be given to you. Now, after drawing the rough sketch, when you will get sure, yes, the quadrilateral can be constructed, then only you can start with the construction. Now, here I have written, see, to construct a quadrilateral, the figure is constructed by splitting up the figure into two triangles with rough sketch by applying the properties of triangle. And another important point, to construct any quadrilateral, two pairs of arcs must intersect each other. Now here you see in your book, this is the construction. Here you see two arcs have intersected each other. Here also two arcs have intersected each other. So until and unless the arcs will intersect each other, quadrilateral can never form. Clear? So these are the basic things of construction of quadrilateral. So you go through these points, whatever I have given you, write in your copy, that you will not face any problem while you will practice. Clear? Thank you.